What am I waiting for? Time is running out. What am I waiting for if he might let me down? What am I waiting for? I think it's time to go. What am I waiting for if he might never show? What am I waiting for? Is it time to act? What am I waiting for? Should I grab my bags? What am I waiting for? Feels like wasting time. What am I waiting for if he feels free to fly? And yes, who am I that you should even try? But I guess I keep hoping, because I'm still hoping for you to arrive back in my life and change your mind. What am I waiting for when you're still not here? What am I waiting for when life disappears? What am I waiting for